So our problem is coin change problem. It is lead code problem number 322. Let us look at the problem. Number of coins required to make a given amount using coin denominations. Also display how many coins of each denomination are used. You are given 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50 and 100 coins. So we have to represent a given number using only these coins. Our goal is to use minimum number of coins.
So, if you are given 73, how would you go about it? Would you take would you start from 1 rupee coins and take 73 individual coins? Of course not. Our goal is to use minimum number of coins. So, we'll proceed from a number that is less than or equal to 73. We can do this by starting with an array. Declare an array which contains all the denominations of the coin. So, we can do this in two ways. Either use a while loop and keep subtracting until the amount becomes 0. If the amount is greater than the array element, subtract it. Otherwise, move to the next index. The other way is to iterate through the coin denomination array and use division and modulus operator. Division operator determines the number of coins that can be fitted into the current amount, and modulus operator determines the remaining amount. So let's move to the coding part.
I'm using IntelliJ for coding. So we got input from the user for number and we declared an array. So this array contains the different types of coin denominations. All these denominations are stored in this array. So we're going to be iterating through this array. And let us use another variable to store the count of total number of coins. Let us call it as total coins. So initially there are no coins. So initially it is 0. Let us start our iteration. Here n is a current number, the amount that is remaining. So it checks whether the amount is greater than or equal to the coins at the current index. For example, we are given 73. First, it will check whether 73 is greater than 100. No. So it will not come under this. It will just be skipped. So nothing occurs. For next, it checks whether 73 is greater than or equal to 50. Yes, 73 is greater than 50. So it will now come into this loop. So here we are using count is equal to n by coins of I. So this division operator, it is used to determine the number of coins that can fit into the correct number. Then now n is 73, right? So when dividing 73 by 50, we will get 1. Only one coin of 50 rupee denomination can fit into 73. That's what it means. Now we should determine the remaining amount. So we're going to do, so this modulus operator gives the amount that is still remaining. Like if you are subtracting 50 from 73, the remaining is 23. So 73 mod 50 gives 23. That's what is happening here. And we are adding the count to total count. Now we should print it, right. We cannot print all the values. If there are 0, we should not print it. We should just skip it. So we can use a flag variable for it. I'll just declare it outside the, if each time it becomes 0. So I'm using it. We will pick coins. So this is how we should print. So coins of I plus. So if the current coin is being used, only then it will be taken into consideration when flag becomes true. Otherwise, it will not be printed. It will just move on. That's the logic. So when it's done, we should print the total count, right? To print that, That's executed. At least 73 as input. 150, 210, 12, 11. Totally 5 coins are used. Yes, it passed the test case. Let us use second test case, 289. So total coins are 7. 7. It also passes. So the output, this is the output. It's correct. And this is the code. I compiled all these questions and posted on my GitHub. I'll leave link in the description. Feel free to check them out.
Hi guys, I'm Udaya Krishna. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.